Ya Allah, you gifted me a home, a wife beside me. I'm not alone. A daughter's laugh, a son's pure heart. You trusted me from the very start. In every tear, in every prayer, I feel your mercy everywhere. I hold their hands, I lead the way, as a father trying every day. My family, my amana true, a trust from you in all I do. We share our love, we share our pain. Together we bow, together we bend. My daughter, my light, my silent dua. My son, be strong with taqwa and haya. My wife, my peace in darkest night. With you my wrongs turn into right. If the world shakes, we will not fall, for Allah stands above it all. Hold us together, Ya Rahman, until we return to you again. My family, trust from you in all I do. We share our love, we share our pain. Together